Do you need a working serverless API on AWS? In this project, we build a fully serverless nodes API using Lambda, DynamoDB, and API Gateway, all provisioned with Terraform and deployed with a single script. Follow along, and in minutes, you'll have a working serverless API running in AWS. Let's walk through the architecture before we build. The user opens a static web page, which is just an HTML file served directly from a public S3 bucket. The front end talks to an API Gateway HTTP API, which is attached to our Lambdas. Each Lambda function handles exactly one thing: post to create, get to list, get by ID to retrieve, put to update, delete to delete. The backend stores data in DynamoDB. Each note is a JSON document, and the Lambdas read and write directly to it. Go to the GitHub link in the video description, clone the repository, and run the check env script to verify all prerequisites. If you need help setting up AWS and Terraform, check out our AWS setup video. Once that's done, run the apply script to start the build. The build is completed, so let's head into the console and see what was deployed. First is the API Gateway. This is the entry point for every API call. These are the 5 routes, each one wired to its own Lambda integration. We have 5 Lambda functions, 1 per operation. Each has its own IAM role scope to only the DynamoDB actions it needs. Next is the DynamoDB table, which is the storage layer for our nodes. Finally, a public S3 bucket hosts the static web application. Navigate to the website URL to launch the test application. Open the web app and the browser debugger so we can watch the API calls. When the app loads, it calls the list endpoint. No notes yet. Now let's create a new note by selecting New. A post to the API is made, which returns an ID. The new note is also selected, and the API loads the content. Now let's update the note and select Save. A put call is made, and the updated data is stored in Cosmos DB. Now let's delete the note by selecting Delete. A delete call is made, and the note is removed. In this demo, we've now exercised every API endpoint. Once you've finished evaluating this project, run the destroy script to clean up all resources.